Hello, friends and neighbors. I'm Gregory, aka Outer Surface. One of the things that I absolutely love about home recording in 2023 is the ability to dial up any sound that I want to, essentially, on the keyboard. Back when I used to play in bands when I was growing up, you have hundreds of sounds and wind up using maybe a dozen of them and settle for sounds that were not quite right when you were going for something, whereas now I can get literally any sound that I want to and really nail some of the classic synth sounds that I always loved. And so here's just an example of that.
Echoing tonight, but she hears my only whispers of some quiet conversation. It's perfect. Come on! Nights in white satin, never reaching the end. Letters I've written, never meaning to send.
It's amazing, right? Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and check out more of my music, outersurface.com. I'll see you around.